To fit the First Class Plus rearward facing, simply follow these steps. Open out the angled foot, which is located on the base, and place the seat in the rearward facing position, ensuring the product is fully reclined. Take the seat belt across the seat and fasten in the buckle. The lap section of the belt goes across the base and around the wing on each side of the seat. Make sure that there are no twists in the belt. Hold the top of the seat and pull the belt tight. The diagonal part of the belt goes around the back of the seat and into the diagonal belt guides. First the belt guide at the back of the seat and then the one at the side. Support the top of the seat and pull away the slack from the seat belt. Finally, check the installation is firm and secure. When in use, place your baby's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. The audible click and safe mechanism will click when the belt is tight. When you hear the first click, check once again that there are no twists in the seat belt and that the performance chest pads are in the correct position, and pull the adjuster strap again until you hear another click. Double check that the harness is tightened enough so that you can still get 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure that your baby is comfortable and secure.